Welcome in to another edition of Talking Fitchburg. Today is Thursday, March 29th. Welcome in, everyone. I am Andrew Bamlett. Today we have just myself here running the show. Jeremy's out and sick, unfortunately. Been fighting that all week. And then Preston is still on vacation until next week. So, just got me today. So we're going to get through headlines here and run through a couple of things coming into town. Some events going on, and then for the digest today, we're going to have a guest, and also we're going to replay two guests today in the digest and in the guest segment, and then I'll see you again after those back for the end of the show in the PB&J segment. So let's get kicked off right away, and we're going to talk about a new game store coming here to the town of Fitchburg, City of Fitchburg. Noble Knight Games announces a new store, gaming center, and warehouse on March 28th, 2018. So they'll be coming, located at 2835 Commerce Park Drive in Fitchburg. The 45,000 square foot building will break ground on April 4th. So this was broke yesterday. The news was, and they'll be here breaking ground on this building on April 4th, 2018. They say they are very excited to open a new headquarters in Fitchburg, and we look forward to playing and enjoying games with the community and the rest of the greater Madison area. Noble Knights Games was established in 1997 and is known across the gaming world as where the out of print is available again. So again, to take a look for that, for April 4th will be the groundbreaking of Noble Knights Games. Next, we're going to talk about in-person voting. We're right at the end here of being able to do this. We're still here this week. The clerks are open right here in City Hall 7:30 to 6 p.m. until Friday, and that'll be it. So you got today and tomorrow yet to get in here and get those absentee votes done. Next, we're going to talk to you about an informational meeting that we've been keeping you up to date with is for the Longford Terrace traffic calming improvements. So it'll be a meeting here at City of Fitchburg for these improvements of the Longford Terrace. The meeting is scheduled for 7 p.m. Tonight, right here in the community center at 5510 Lacey Road. So don't miss that. Be sure to stop on down and make it to that informational meeting for the traffic calming improvements. All right, next we're going to talk about get your tickets today. The Green Bay Packers Tailgate Tour and Badger Prairie Needs Network will host fans at the Verona Area High School on April 10th. So get your tickets today. Green Bay Packers alumni Antonio Freeman, Bubba Franks, and Rob Davis, as well as the current players Blake Martinez, Kenny Clark, and Ty Montgomery will join Packers President and CEO Mark Murphy at Verona Area High School on Tuesday, April 10th. So they're going to be right here in our area to personally thank fans for their enthusiastic support for the team throughout the years and to help support the efforts of the Badger Prairie Needs Network in Verona. So come on down. Again, that is on April 10th. I'm sure we'll have more information as it gets a little closer on the timings, but stop down at the Verona Area High School on Tuesday, April 10th. That'll be a pretty cool event there to see all those Packers. All right, next we're going to talk about Mad City Disc Golf Spring kicks off. So if you like disc golf, get out there. It's coming. Spring's coming as well. So the spring has sprung, and it's time to throw some discs. Schedule events at 9 a.m. Registration opens. The schedule of events is 9 a.m. Registration opens at 9:45. Player meeting, partner assignments at 10 a.m. Round begins, lunch to follow. Bag tag distribution holes 1 through 18 will be utilized for doubles. Holes 19 through 27 will remain open for public play. So again, you have 1 through 18 being used for this tournament, and then 19 through 27 are still open for public. New member registration will be accepted throughout the event. You must be a current MCDG member to participate in the doubles round for tags. Free lunch for members. This is at the Token Creek Shelter number 3. So again, stop on down. This will be on May 5th from 9 to 1 for the Mad City Disc Golf Spring Kickoff. All right, and next we're going to talk about a little Easter celebration going on here. We're going to have Easter brunches in Fitchburg. Looking for the perfect place to enjoy Easter brunch? Look no further than Fitchburg, where you can enjoy a brisket scramble. Ooh, that sounds awesome. Dishes with Cajun flair, spicy for me. Carving stations, vegan and gluten-free options. And let's not forget the mimosas and the Bloody Marys. Liliana's will wow you with their Cajun roasted potatoes and jambalaya, and Sairo Cafe is the perfect place for you looking for something deliciously healthy. Sorry, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Thirsty Goat's Brisket Scramble is sure to be a family favorite, and the Great Dane will expand on their famous carving station. And Hy-Vee Market Grill will feature prime rib, ham, turkey, and a large assortment of desserts. So it sounds like a really good time to come down and have a brunch on Easter. And check out those local establishments right here in Fitchburg. All right, well, that's it for headlines today. Coming up next, we're going to sit down and talk with, we're going to replay with City Administrator Pat Marsh and see what's going on here in the city of Fitchburg. We'll be right back. You are watching Talking Fitchburg.